Hi guys, and welcome to the final hosting. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to install TXAdmin on your FiveM server with our hosting. So first off, of course, you're going to need to go and buy a plan from us. They are pretty cheap. If you guys want to come to our Discord, that will also be linked in the description. All links used in this video will also be linked in the description. So if you guys need any help, you can always go there and ask us. We're always here to help. So once you have bought your plan, you're going to want to go to our panel, which is panel.thefinalhosting.com. That will also be linked in the description. So once you have your server up and running, it should automatically be running. What you're going to want to do is click on stop and kill. That will stop the server completely. You're then going to want to go to startup. You want to go get your FiveM license from the link down below, and you're going to want to put it in here. You can rename your server here as well if you would like, and you need to make sure this button is purple just like this. Now once that is done, you can go back to your console, click on start, and wait for your server to start up. Once your server is started up completely, you will see a link in the console just like so. Now what you're going to want to do is click on that link just right here, and it should open up a web page like this. So what you're going to want to do is go here and put 8567. So that is my code. You should see your pin just here. So 8567, link account, and continue. And then you just want to set a password. Once that is set, create master account. And this is where you guys are going to configure your TXAdmin. So, just going to click on next. This is just your server name. I'm going to rename it to YouTube. Well, actually, I'm going to name it to the final hosting tutorial or tutori, and click on next. Popular recipes. I'm going to go with Qbox. Save, and go to recipe deployer and next. Now, you're going to need your FiveM license key. You can also get it at Keymaster, which is right here. Again, linked in the description. Once you have your license key there, you can want to click on show/hide database options. Now, once you're here, what you're going to want to do is just get rid of all of that, just like so. And then go back to your panel, click on databases, click on new database. You can name it whatever you like. I'm going to name it Qbox DB. Click create database and database details. So as you guys can see, the database host, this will be the endpoint, just right here. So you copy that. The port should already be correct. The database username is going to be right here. So you can paste that in there. Database password should just be below the username on your panel. Paste it in there. And then the database name will actually be this right here. So you want to copy that and paste it in there just like that, and then click run recipe. This should install all of the files necessary to run your FiveM server on whatever framework you are running. You will also be able to access your database through TXAdmin if needed to. You can also go back here and just check everything is correct and go here. You should be able to see also in the console that it is downloading everything needed for the framework. But if we go back to TXAdmin, it's 51% done. I'm just going to wait until that's done, although it should be pretty easy from here on out. You just click on next, next, and next, and then you'll have your server installed for you. But it is going quite quick, so I will show you guys how to do that. So I'm just going to let it do its thing, and I'll be back when it's done. So guys, as you can see, it has now completed. So you just click on next, save and run. And there you go. You have now installed TXAdmin on your final hosting server. Now, all of these errors you are seeing right here is due to the frameworks that I am running, but that is not an issue if you're running Qbox or any other framework. Now, I hope you guys have enjoyed, and if you guys are looking for a cheap way to run your 5M server, or if you're looking for something like a dedicated server, don't forget to check us down below. We are offering a 55% off for all new customers that come to our website and use code WELCOME55 with capital W. I hope you guys have a great day and peace.